Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be taking you through my decision-making process when I pick my clothes, my travel wardrobe or a travel capsule wardrobe to travel for summer long-term, for short-term trips, any of the trips that you want to take. I have some experience in traveling to multiple destinations as I often travel for summer from 5 to 8 weeks. So in this video, I'll show you how I decide what I'm gonna take with me and which things are better to leave behind. For my full video of everything that I pack for long term, including my toiletries, digital nomad essentials like electronics, miscellaneous items, and everything you need to look polished while you've been on the road for the past 2 months, make sure you subscribe as in my next video I'll be sharing an updated full female long-term travel packing list. I used to be a massive overpacker before, taking everything by outfits. An outfit had to be exact with that top, that bottom, those shoes, and the bag. You can't really do that if you want to travel minimally and have less clothes because you'll end up having too many of extra items. And I believe it's still possible to have great style and pack light. You just have to distill your style into a smaller number of carefully created items. And as I grow older, I tend to have better items and much less of them. Whenever I shop, I make sure these items are really versatile and they also pack small and they could do all of those things when I travel. While makeup and hair products might do biggest difference as well to your style, when you do travel carry-on only, it is true that this comes with a compromise as only a very small number of liquids is allowed. So with clothes, my to-go method is to pick 4 to 5 tops and bottoms each. And each item have to be quite different. For instance, you want to have one very cute item like a skirt or dressy trousers, one soft item, one more structured like denim, one pretty, and one more. As an example here, if you have 2 white shorts as I have here, decide which one is going to be most versatile for you. Like this is a white denim shorts and you can do both day and night outfits. With this white pair of shorts, it looks cute and it is soft, but you cannot do the same elegant evening outfits with it. So I'll eliminate one that does less and keep the one that makes more variety for that specific trip. I try to travel with very minimal wardrobe as well, with all items being quite basic, not specific. That to me also doesn't work really well. Aesthetics is another function that many overlook, and when you don't have enough color in your wardrobe or aesthetics, you will honestly feel that you're missing something. And what usually happens that you will end up shopping emotionally and doing some spontaneous shopping at your destination. Of course, it's also fine if that's something that you're planning to do. I tend to avoid that spontaneous purchases as to me they tend to be too seasonal and usually they don't serve me well afterwards. That is why I want to travel with my best and favorite items. Some of those items have a little extra. And if instead I'm planning on doing some shopping at my destination, like when I would go to London, Zurich, New York, then I would pack my older and less favorite items that I would want to replace. And in this case, I can easily replace my old items and donate them at the destination and purchase new items instead, while keeping the same number of garments. This is one of my favorite ways to shop and it makes it kind of feel guilt-free. This season again, I'm doing something new. When previously I only had my black and white plain tops, it was cute, but I was feeling that something was missing. I'm adding a few seasonal pieces that may or may not last long in my wardrobe, but hey, remember that it's just your wardrobe and the needs are just yours. So pick the items for both function and also emotional and aesthetical needs. This way you will feel like you have everything with you. To me, that is having my special pajama or a favorite t-shirt. It is true that minimalist items seem to be more versatile. The problem with them that it might be not your style and you don't want to be somebody else. You want to be yourself, and I find that wearing more special and non-minimalist items reflects me so much better, who I am and who I am in this season of life. I know that I go a bit deeper than other people into explaining you why I select certain things, but it's just to give you the framework of how to use this for your own process. My 3 main rules are function over fashion. If it works, it's great. Doesn't have to be perfect every single time. Function is more important. Less is more. Trust the universe. Okay, let's start putting your capsule travel wardrobe together, starting with the bottoms. Have them versatile and limit the number by 5. I like to stick with white, blacks, other neutral, and 1 or 2 in a special color that also matches everything else. This skirt here is my key piece this season, so it's gonna be a reference for all other items, tops, shoes, and accessories. Everything has to go well with it. For the second item, I need to fulfill a completely different role. For instance, something that could be worn very casually for a transit day, on a train, or on a daily walk in the morning when I really don't feel like dressing up. So I need a pair of plain shorts. I usually use a pair of sweat shorts for that. It could be black or white. In my instance, I'm gonna try both items that I have and then try to pair them with my tops. I know that they both work for me. And now I'm gonna decide how I'm gonna feel when I wear it. These black shorts have been with me for many seasons now. They're slightly tired. They don't really excite me, but they don't have to because it's a trusted functional piece. It will not fade or lose its shape after the wash, so I might go with it. My other option is this white piece. It's new and more fresh, and I'm checking how it fits with the new tops that I got for this season. So it goes well with most tops, and with this one it doesn't work well, so I now know that this top does not go with this capsule wardrobe and is not coming with me. At this point, I'll also add my shoes into the equation. Because I'll only travel with 2 pairs of shoes, 1 sandal and 1 sneaker, 1 to the airport, and also I'll add a pair of pool slides for the beach. I recently found out from the minimalist book the word decide comes from Latin decidere, which means cutting off. So this is exactly what we need to do here. I need to cut off the extras and just in case items recklessly, so I'm not thinking about them again. And the third items in the equations are the bags. These are all of the options that I have. I never travel with a stroll tote unless I have a direct flight to a beach destination. In my current itinerary, I have to be in a long transit on a train, so it really won't be the best option for me. And it also takes half of the suitcase. I love this leather puzzle with my clothes, but I have previously traveled with it in summer. It is great for cities and transits, but not for the countryside or resort in my itinerary, so it won't be coming with me. I'll be excited to wear it again when I'll be back from my travels to my work wardrobe. So this way I'm eliminating other bags and I'm keeping these 2 bags for these capsules. They are fun and they fold flat. Another essential for me is a plain packable tote. Such a great essential. And now I also know that I won't have any blues in this capsule because they clash with this purple. And now I have eliminated more options, which I'm really glad about. And I'll be going for all other colors like blacks, whites, tans, and reds that go well with this bag. A small day to night bag that I want to bring this time is this little Bottega sardine to wear it as an evening bag and also to the airport as passport holder. But it is true that it gets flagged by security because of this big metal part. Now we have picked the key items and eliminated items that really don't serve me well, and let's continue with the rest of my bottoms. Number 3 would be this new mustard skirt from Zara, which is so cool as it looks like a skirt but is very practical and easy to wear as a shorts. I already know that it fits me well and it goes well with all of these colors that are remaining in my travel capsule wardrobe. The 4th bottom that I need is probably a long one, so I was thinking between my latest jeans. They're cute, but from my experience I travel in my jeans to save the room, but then at my destination they just tend to take all of the space in my suitcase and lay flat and annoy me along with other heavy hoodies like this one. I really wanted to take this cozy white jumper, which is perfect for flying, but I know that for the rest of the days, it just ends up as a dead weight that I have to carry around, so it will stay at home. Instead, I'll layer up some thin layers to be warm and cozy on the plane. The 2 other options that I have left for the long bottoms are really lightweight trousers in green, which is also cute and fun color, and they seem to be lightweight to wear on a hot day, and a pair of leggings that always saves the day without taking too much space at all. I might end up taking both as I make allowances for my sports wardrobe, one top and bottom, so one bottom could be either a pair of leggings or these cute shorts for running. On a positive note here, women's clothes are usually much smaller than men's, so we are allowed to have a bit more of them as we travel. Now let's look at my tops. Here are basically all black and white tops that I currently have and wear. I'll try them all to decide how to pick the right ones. Tank tops work best for me, and I'm going for one plain white, one plain black, one special white that works well with my special skirt and the cardigan to create cute outfit. I might also take this black top as a special piece as it goes well with my mustard shorts and creates second cute but completely different outfit for this trip. And I have these two cute t-shirts that I got last night, and I'm obsessed with them at the moment because I'm emotionally invested. I know that they probably won't last too long in my wardrobe. That was just my little fix, so okay, why not? I want to take them both. My idea is that by wearing tank tops, I always get cold in shoulders, and by having a t-shirt, it might save me from being extra cold during a transit. And I'll not need to take my boring long sleeve top. This blue-green top goes well with the green trousers and with my most bottoms. Better with some and okay with the others. In the end, I actually didn't take it, and instead I took my trusted long sleeve in black, and I'm really so glad that I did that. The white t-shirt has a print and goes perfectly well with my special skirt and also with these mustard shorts. And then I want to find another match for these t-shirts with another pair of shorts and create a cute third outfit. When it comes to packing those items, I usually take a small suitcase and also a backpack. In case I'm a bit limited with space in my suitcase, I can take lighter items into my backpack, like the packing cube with tops and underwear, and I'll put heavier items like electronics in a suitcase and will not carry them. We have now decided about all the tops, and now we're picking 2 extra layers to keep warmth and comfort during the transit. To me, that would be this black cardigan as it goes with all of the items. And I'll also pack this new black cropped long sleeve top, which is going to be super versatile, and I can wear it with a cardigan and with all of the items I have. In future, I would like to find a very cute rain and wind jackets all in one that packs small, that would serve me for colder days during summer, but I'm still looking for one. Another accessory that I take with me always is the cap. As with the sunglasses, for more fashion trips, I like to travel with 2, and this way you also have one spare if one breaks or you lose it. For this trip, I only pack 1, and I really hope nothing happens to it, as if you're really remote, these are going to be hard to replace. With jewelry, I usually just wear everything on me. This is the safest way. Sometimes I'll pack a pair of earrings for summer and chunkier necklace for winter. That's it. Packing some jewelry would also stop me from impulsive shopping, as when you don't have any special pieces, you'll feel like purchasing one. And now I'm packing the rest of my items. I'll need one swimsuit, a pair of pajamas. On some nights I could wear a t-shirt instead of a pajama top if it's colder, 5 undies and 1 bra, and a laundry bag, because I'll have to do my laundry when I travel so light. Now you know all my travel secrets of how I do my capsule wardrobe. To be honest, it gets much harder when you have multiple destinations with different weather and activities, but it's still doable by adding a few more layers like the leggings, merino long sleeve top, or even a fleece. This would always help. Do you tend to travel light, or you want to have many cute outfits when you travel? I would love to know. Please leave me a comment below. I'd love to know, where do you travel next? I'll see you in my next one. Bye!